by the title, Lucy about to come back home. On the way to pick up the KX125 right now, man. Just got that phone call, said she's ready to go. It's like a brand new bike. Can't wait to test it out. So y'all already know, stay tuned, get ready. We're about to be two-stroking it up. Let's go. Like that. Uh-oh. Got the KX125 back at the house. This is it, y'all. I ain't even start up, not yet. I'm gonna start up here in a minute. They got me some, I'm pretty sure they got me some gas in here. Hope it's a full tank. I need to get me a new gas cap. Got me a little bit. It ain't much. Say they fixed all kinds of stuff on it though. I had a leak in my carburetor, leaking gas. They fixed it, and they fixed I think they had the screw is all the way out for my carburetor, so it was running funny, so they fixed it. It was another leak somewhere, she said. Might have been right here, because this right here looks like a new line right here. I mean, these fuel lines right there. Oh yeah, she ready. Oh yeah, said to put my new air filter on here too. But what they did the top end, they sleeved it pretty much. They bored it out, put an iron sleeve into it. New piston, new rings, new gaskets. So she ready, but I gotta take it easy. Gotta ride it slow. Gotta break it in, cause it's a brand new rebuild, so I gotta break it in. But yeah, she's back. Let's start up, see what she sounds like. I remember when I first rebuilt it, it took me forever to get it started. As soon as I turn the choke on though, it started the first kick. You ready though, she's smoking. This right here is with the choke off now. Just turn the choke off of it. Ain't smoking as much, but yeah. And she's sounding good though. But she ready, y'all. We back. KX125 is back. Next video, y'all, I'm gonna start breaking it in. I'm gonna start riding around a little bit, but y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that one right here though. As y'all know, I got all the bikes back at the house there. KX125 is back. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. We'll catch y'all on the next video. Go! Take care.